Many people with computer issues will search for tech support online. Unfortunately, many online tech support companies are actually fake. So how does the tech support scam work? You will first get a phone call or a pop-up on your computer. This will be from someone posing as a well-known software company. They will claim you have a virus and offer to scan your computer. Next, they will urge you to pay a fee for them to fix it. Warning: if you allow remote access during their service, they may also install malware on your device. It's important to never give a third-party control of your computer unless you know they are real. For more cybersecurity help, contact us at bravocg.com.